Hello guys, today I will show you how to make potato goulash. First, cut tomato to small pieces and remove the top to avoid bitter taste later. Continue by chopping onions to medium-sized pieces. Peel 5 potatoes and cut them to cubes roughly the same size. Take 3 cloves of garlic and crush them. Next, preheat a pot on medium heat and toss in 50 grams of fat. When pork fat is melted, throw in chopped onions. Add crushed garlic. Wait until onions become soft. Throw in 300 grams of beef cut to cubes. It's better to prefer beef parts with more fat. Throw in 2 tablespoons of smoked red pepper. Throw in 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Cook on high heat until meat gets brown. When you no longer see any raw meat, throw in chopped tomatoes. And then potatoes. Cook it for 5 minutes and add 1 liter of water. Add 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Add 2 teaspoons of margarine. Mix ingredients together and let it cook for 1.5 hours. When you are finished, you can serve it with bread. This is everything from me for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see each other in the next video. Bye!